Do you want to firm up your boobs? Do you have a saggy boobs? Stay to the end of the video. In this video, you're going to be learning how you can firm your boobs the natural way and how you can also make it bigger. So there are a lot of chest workout that can actually engage your chest, that can help to strengthen your chest region. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the massage with all those ingredients I've actually listed out: fenugreek, olive oil, shea butter, Vaseline, any of them. If you feel like Vaseline is not safe, you want to use fenugreek or olive oil, that's fine, or shea butter as well. Anything, any oil you can find around your house. So I'm going to be using this oil. You warm up the oil in your hands. You have to warm it up like this. You're going to take your boobs this way. You're going to be circulating it this way. So we're going to be going in circular motion like this. You take it like this, then you upward motion like this, circulate the blood flow, and then you tap it upward. So you can also use shea butter. Shea butter works as well for this massage. Be gentle. I'm going in circular motions again. Then you massage upwards, upwards. Locate your nipples, lightly lift them upwards, then release, then lift them upwards again. Then do same to the other side. So I'm repeating the circular motion again. You can go clockwise and anti-clockwise. Gently tap your boobs upwards again. When doing this, ensure that you are very kind, gentle. You listen to your own body. You know the amount of pressure you are applying. Always remember to stroke upward, massage upward, never downward. Never you massage your boobs downwards, always massage upwards. So this technique is called upward lifts. Using both hands to gently lift up your breast upward from underneath. This helps to encourage lymphatic drainage. The next one we're going to be doing is what we call side sweep. Place one hand onto your neck. Then you start from underneath your armpit and gently sweep inwards towards the breasts. Then we are going to repeat the same thing on the other boobs. Consistency is key. So this is me another day showing up. So this is the fingertip tapping. I'm tapping inward. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week and do this massage for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Breast massage is a form of self-care. Every woman should do this. Be gentle. Hopefully this works for you, and you can also tell us what has actually worked for you also in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Bye. So hi guys, if you want your boobs to be firm or you have a saggy boobs, everything you need to know about saggy boobs is in this video. Watch, like, and subscribe. Go to my YouTube now and check out how you can cure your saggy boob.